Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. If it's your first time here, I would love it if you go ahead and hit that subscribe button before you leave. So today's video, as you can tell by the title, is all about me trying out some fun hair color wax, and I will demonstrate how I came up with this look, this color, how I went from this to this. So if you're interested in that, then just keep on watching. Look at that. Okay, this is just me putting the color in. Look at that, y'all. Okay guys, as you can see, I'm starting off on some dry stretched hair. My wash day is Sunday. Today is Friday, October 30th. It is the day before Halloween, and so I figured, why not try something fun and new for Halloween? I am going to hang out with my girlfriends, and so I figured, let me try something fun and new that I can just wash out on Sunday, which is my regular wash day. So what I decided to try today is ORS's Curls Unleashed. It's a moisturizing beeswax color blast temporary hair makeup wax. That is a mouthful. This is the packaging. This is what it looks like. Okay, and I am trying the color Peachtree today, for those of you that are curious about which color. So if you were interested in trying something like this but you didn't know which color, I chose Peachtree because I saw a whole bunch of different reviews on Amazon. I'll put the links down to everything below. Now, just to show you, this is what the inside looks like. I did try some because I needed to see what it looked like in my hair, like the day before yesterday. So it looks really orange, metallic orange in the bottle, but it looks great on the hair. So if your hair is dark like mine, I have like a 4B texture. I tried some in the back, as you can see, but y'all, this is a little bit faded because it's been in my hair for a little bit. I had more than this in, and it washed right out. It's so easy to wash out. So we're just gonna spruce that up when we add a little bit more in the back, and then we're just gonna style my hair as usual. It does say that it is like a styler, so I don't have any gloves, so it's gonna get messy, but it washes out easily. So I'm just gonna start off by sectioning my hair. I'm gonna do 4 sections in my hair to make things go a lot smoother for me. Okay, so just 4 big sections in the hair and in the back, because I see a lot of girls have tried this style with twists, but I'm gonna try a braid out. Okay y'all, so there is a little bit in the back, a little bit of the color in the back, but it's like fading out, but you'll see how vibrant it is. So what I'm gonna do is, my hair is stretched and I want to get that length in, so I'm not gonna wet my hair too much, but I am gonna wet it a little bit. My water bottle here, and I'm just gonna wet it a little bit, and I'm gonna add a little bit of this Cantu leave-in with the argan oil, just a little bit, not too much, because I want my hair to dry very easily, and I'm about to put a bunch of this wax in it. So I need to clip my ends a little bit. So I'm just gently detangling my hair with the wide tooth comb. Oh, by the way, after I try this style for y'all, I'm gonna show y'all how I do my wash and goes. I used to never think wash and goes were like a thing for me with my hair texture, but it turns out, sis, yes it is, and I'll show y'all what I do. So again, this is gonna get messy, but I'll just wash my hands afterwards. So I'm just taking a nice amount of the product. I'm gonna be generous with it because I want it to really show on my hair. So you see that? Show y'all, come a little closer. and just working the color into my hair. I'm putting a bunch in, y'all, because I want it to be, you know, noticeable. My hair is dark, so and this is kind of fun too. I don't know, I feel like a little kid when I'm doing this. So I'm just working the color wax into my hair, and look guys, look at that. Look at the top of my head and look at the bottom. Like, hello sis, it looks like I got real color in my hair. It looks like I bleached somebody's hair, but who? Not this hair. I've had the front of my hair colored before in the past when I was still relaxed, and you know, it took a lot of maintenance, a lot of going to the salon and, you know, deep conditioning and stuff, but trying to avoid damage at all costs but still get the look. I am so happy with the way the color look. So now I'm just going to braid it up, because I see a lot of girls, like I said, they try the twist out, but I'm gonna try a braid out with this look. Okay guys, so here we are. My hair is all braided up, and just so that my ends stay down, I'm gonna go ahead and put some perm rods. I'm gonna go ahead and put some perm rods at the ends to hold the ends down. And I like to curl, when I do a braid out, I like to curl the front of my head. Like, I like to curl my hair a certain way, so I like to like the little spiral curls. I know my hands are a mess, y'all, but so I like to do the little spiral curls like this. I like to do them tighter in the front and then loose around the rest of my head. Okay guys, so yeah, so everything is ready to go, and we're just gonna let this dry overnight, and I will be back for the big reveal tomorrow before I get ready to head out. So see you then. Hi guys, it is the next day and it is time for the takedown. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove my satin cap. I took out the back rollers a little bit earlier. It's my way of letting the curls naturally fall over time. This is not gonna be my outfit for later on. This is only right now, okay? But anyway, so let's go ahead and take it down. So I'm just gonna take some jojoba oil that I got from Trader Joe's. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I am loving the vibrant color. I feel like I'm looking at myself in the mirror over here, and I feel like there's certain things that just don't show up on camera. It is super vibrant. I feel like I used too much, which is why it has like a little bit of a grainy consistency. But yeah, I feel like that's because I used way too much, and it does have a lot of hold. It is wax, so the more you manipulate it, the more it's going to flake. So it might be better on a wash and go. I did want to see how it looked on my regular braid outs. So I mean, I'm happy with the shape of my hair. I'm probably gonna fluff it out some more. It is messy. The more you manipulate it, like I said, it will flake on you. But I went ahead and added a red lip to pop with this popping hair color. Okay. So yeah, as you can see, it's just a really vibrant, beautiful, like auburn color hair, and it does have a lot of hold. I just wanted to try braid out as opposed to the twist out, but I realized that if I did do a twist out, it probably would have been less messy to take down. So I had fun with this product. I'm going out for, you know, some dinner with my girlfriends. It's Halloween night. I'm going out for some dinner. Oh, I almost forgot my cute little cat ears, guys. I'm gonna have to like manipulate it more so people can see, but yeah, I had to put on my little cat ears, y'all. What y'all think? Cute, huh? I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Until next time, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.